If you are trying to install Amazon Shopping app, but each and every time you are told can't install Amazon Shopping app from Google Play Store, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, to get started, first we need to go ahead and open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you try to search for your Amazon. However, if you are doing so while logged in, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For this, we need to go ahead and troubleshoot it by accessing Google Play Store app info page. To do this, go ahead and long press on your Play Store app and then tap on app info. If you can't see this app info, you should see the name of the app or even a settings gear. Choose any of this to access the app info page. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we are on the app info page, and you can also just access the app info page through settings. At this point, we first want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you'll be able to see data stored by Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. So accumulation of cache data might be the reason why Google Play Store is malfunctioning and being unable to install Amazon Shopping app. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. And now our cache data has been reduced to 0. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone. Now come back to Play Store, search for your app, and everything should be okay. However, if you're still unable to install your app, then go to your profile icon up here, tap on it and scroll down to settings. From settings, look for this option called network preferences. Go ahead and tap on it, and among the options, choose the first option, app download preference. Under this, choose this first option over any network. So by choosing this will ensure that you are able to install or download any app via any network that you are currently connected to. Go ahead and save the changes by tapping on OK. And now turn on your data or Wi-Fi, search for Amazon Shopping app. So if I just search for Amazon, I can go ahead here. You can see here we have our Amazon. Now let's go ahead and try and see if it will be installed. So by clicking on install, you can see our Amazon Shopping app is being installed and the problem has been fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Amazon Shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.